show starts in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Almost clicked out of it. I think we're gonna keep going down. That would be clean. It will fall all the way here. Boom! Oh! Oh my god! It breaks. We're good. What it do? What it do? What it do? It's Tuesday, yeah. Let's see what we can do today. All I have to trade today is this tournament account, so we're gonna be a little bit more risky on this. Traded my other accounts. Asia. Took some payouts on them, so they haven't reset my balances yet, so I'm not touching them. I will wait until I get my payout on those. So tomorrow, hopefully, should be. I'd like to see this thing dump. That's what I would like to see. Got a minute and a half. See what happens. Let's see what happens on the open. We still got a little over a minute here. I have nothing marked out, so I'm just be going off my JW charts, watching those. We will see what happens. We might get a possibly could get a aggressive move up and then drop, but we'll see. We will see what happens. Couple seconds. I'm gonna see if we pop above this. I'm gonna take on the long if we can. I'm gonna take that long. I'm gonna see if we can ride this thing up here. Let's see. I want to see it come up here. Ah, that's rejecting from it. Oh, that's a big time rejectee. Still want to see this thing come up. So I'm just gonna hold this because I can. Let's see what happens here. I want to see this thing pop up first. I wanted to see this thing pop up first. Let's see if we can get it here. Here we go. Now this should go. Now it should go. Come on. Get above this here, and we're off to the races. Next stop is up here. Might just take it off here. Want to see if we could break out. See if we could break out and pop this thing up there. This is a 5-minute zone right here. If we could break this, we go all the way up to like 370. We're trying to break here. Come on. Come on. 370 area way up here now. It's going to take it for now. If we start breaking up again, I'll get back into it, but this is just a 5-minute zone right where it's at right here. Let's see which way she's going to try to go here. See if we can break below this here, or if we're going to hold up above. What are we going to do at this 85 zone here? This is trying to break 85, but it is holding. Let's see if we can break under. You're holding it up. It is. Yes, is holding it. And Q is trying to break it. It is breaking it. Let's see if we can get a dump here. Right back to 85 again. SBS is holding. Yeah. SBS is holding it up. I don't like it. Don't really like it. And Q might start to pop up. See. Yes, it's still rolling. It is holding up 85. Yes, it's still moving it up a little bit. So this might start to run it up. I'm going to try to see if we can pop it up here. ES is still going. So I want to see if NQ can catch up. Let's see if NQ can catch up to it. ES is at a resistance. If we could break ES here, NQ will catch up. There he went. Come on. Get it up there. Big flip down, I know. Holy shit. ES just snapped up and instantly dropped. And that was instantly. It was a big pump and snapped it right back down with the blink of an eye. Yeah, I gotta get out of that. This might start to roll now. Like I said, we're going to be real aggressive on this because we can. $270 area. We come back down. Yeah, alright, I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna see if we can dump it now. This is showing bearish. Let's see if we can get it. Still 3 minutes on the 5. I want to see this breakdown now, though. Let's see if we can make a new low here. See if we can make a new low here. And they're playing around with this thing again, just like yesterday. As long as we hold under this zone, this short's gonna be going. Let's see here. Let's see if we can make this new low here. It should dump her down. Let's see it. Hey, we can really push this thing down. Like 24,100 would be the last stop if we can break this low here. We'll see. This could just run it back up. I want to see it stay under this. I want to see this thing fall. The 5 minute is very bearish. We're still holding this thing up though. Still bearish. We still got a minute left on this 5 minute. I want to see this candle here close down here. I mean, close below this here would be cream. If we can close below this. Now, yeah, let's get down here and close below it on this candle. We got 35 seconds. That would be amazing. I really want to see this dump. Really want to see this thing fall. 20 seconds. Stay under this zone right here, and we should continue it down. We gotta break this here. We gotta break the low. Come on. Come on. We gotta break this low down here. This should fucking start the flush here. I'm telling you, this is super bearish. See if we can break it though. There we go. Took out the low. Let's push this thing. Come on. Come on. Get down to this 100 and keep it fucking rolling. Let's see this keep rolling. Come on. Drop it for me. We got hella room. Hella room. After this is 24,000, and then we start breaking that, and we go all the way down to like 23,900. Let's see this thing dump. Let's see it dump. We're feeling this fucking big pump from yesterday morning. That's what I'm holding for. This is what I'm holding for. Right back to this 200. There's that 200 part. Let's see if we can stay under that though. 2 minutes on the 5. This is a big wick up on the 5. Stay under the 2 and come back down. We gotta come back down now. Yeah, PMI. I don't know if I can. I don't know if I can hold through news and shit. I have no idea. We're gonna do it. I don't know the rules on this tournament, so I have no idea. You got like 30 seconds before this news comes out. I don't know if I can hold it, but I'm gonna hold it. We'll see what happens. 'Cause I have no idea. Kind of looking like it wants to pop it up. Let's see what happens though. Fuck it. Well, it didn't close the account though, so that's good. Pretty lame news, you tell me. For a PMI, that was pretty lame. If we start breaking this up, I'm gonna get out. But I just want to see if we can stay under this 200. About to get out. If it starts breaking it up here, gotta hold under. The 5-minute did close underneath, so I want to see if we can bring this thing back down or if we're gonna pump this. Just floating around 2,500 in profit here. But this might start to pump. I'm going to get up. I don't like how it's trying to reclaim that 200 spot. This could get aggressive up. It could. Do I attempt this long here? Five-minute got back above. I might try this long here. Yeah. I'm gonna see if we can bring this thing back up here. At least to like 255. See if we can get it up to here. If not, try to test within here maybe. We'll see. Maybe this thing comes back down because it couldn't get back above this. But we reclaimed that 200. It's probably going to go and retest it again before it pops it back up, if it's going to. I just like this close above 200 that we did. I want to see if we can get a continuation. We start breaking this here. It comes up for this candle. We start breaking that and this trend down. We come up and try to test within here. If we break that, I mean, we could get it, but I don't know if that's gonna do that. This might just drop it right back down here. I want to see if we can stay above this 200. See if we can treasy this through it, or if we're gonna come right back down. Trying to break that too. Yeah, this might just fall. This could just fall here. Yep, I don't like it. This might just continue. This might continue. Getting into that short. This is gonna continue it down. That was a clean hold on this resistance support for right back down. I only took the long because it held above this 200. I wanted to see this come up for this candle here. It didn't. It held below that. That's alright. Oh well. This takes so low, this will crumble. See if we can chop it here. Let's see if I can sit back and relax on this short here. See if we can continue it. I want to see it get down to 24,100. See if we can break this here and really start to fall. Next stop would be like, I mean, 2,400 would be the next stop after that. I would like to see. That down there. So if we start breaking this 100, it probably gets pretty aggressive and coming for the 24. But I'm holding this short. This is about to fall. This is a beautiful hold right here. This is about to fall. It's a beautiful hold on that 70. Excuse me. This should drop here. I think this is where I can sit back and relax and watch this thing fall. We're holding this 70. This should dump. We took out the low a little bit here. We got to go for this 100 area. We take that out. 24,000 would be the next target. We take that out. 23,900. I mean, this could go all the way for it down. I want to see this hold. This right here, hold. This is what I want to see hold. It could come up, test it, come into it, but I don't want to see it pop through it. This is where I want to see it hold right here. I don't want to see it trying to take it out. Because if we start taking that out, I'm going to have to close out of it. I want to see this fucking gap be bearish and hold it to roll it back down. See if we can hold this here. A couple seconds left on this candle. We gotta hold this for the downside move. If we start breaking up, I'm out of it because this could start to run it back up. I have to see this whole area hold for a short continue. I don't like how it's holding above this 70 zone now. But as long as we validate this gap right here, I will hold on to the short. Yep, now we gotta get back under the 70, hold under the 70, and let's see if we can roll this thing down. See if we can roll this thing down. Beautiful hold on the 5-minute level too. That's amazing. That's exactly what I wanted to see. But this, we gotta come down now. We gotta come for the lows to take the 100 spot, break that, and come for the 24. This could be a very good support area for it to bounce heavily from and maybe come back down then, but the 5-minute close is the doji, so this is still indecisive of what it wants to do right here. As long as we hold this area, I'm holding the short. We start breaking this back up above this 200 area and breaking this up, I get out. I want to see this zone hold if we're shorting still. As long as we close underneath this spot, gotta close underneath it, then we're good to go. The second I think we close above this, candle closure above this, I get out. So. For now, this is holding it. Exactly what I want to see. Let's see if we can roll this thing down or not. We'll find out. 2 minute is trying to roll up. The 5 minutes trying to roll it up. That's a aggressive pop up too. If we start breaking this zone here, I'm out of it. But for now, I will hold on to it. Because this can pull it right back down. But we start breaking this, I'm out. We close up here, I'll probably get out of it too. See if we can close underneath that spot right here where we're at. See, exactly like that. Get back down there. We got 10 seconds on this candle. Couple seconds. Close underneath that level. Closes right on it. I hate when it does that. See if we can get it dropped back down here now. I don't like how it closed above this, but I couldn't get back above here. This is still holding this thing down. So, I mean, let's see if we can get aggressive down here again. We still have a little over a minute on the 5, and the 5-minute level is holding it down. So, we'll see. I want to see how the 5-minute closes. This looking like it wants to pop up. This is a bad candle right here. Bad candle. And this is going to close it above now, too. That's terrible. We got to fill this wick back up. We got to go for that wick. I'll have to close this out. Stay under. We got midline up here. That 5-minute held. It closed above it. That's not good. Now it's getting me sketchy. This is starting to get me sketchy now. I have to get up. Two, 7. This could try to run up. Possibly. This long is looking pretty decent. That sucks. I didn't like this candle right here. That was ass. That was ass. Oh well. Like I said before, we're being riskier on this because this really don't mean anything. This is just a tournament account where it's whatever. We are holding under now. You're holding under the midline. We break back down in here. 5-minute zone is going to give this thing back up. Do we get back above midline? We are getting back above it. Couple seconds. Pretty good. I'm going to take that. I'm going to see if we can pop back up. I just like this support or this retest of it again for a continuation back up. So let's see. See if we can bring it back up in this side here maybe. But like I said, I'm being more riskier on this account. I want to test things. I want to test my brain out on shit, so this is the account to do it on. Is it? I don't care. Oh, now we're underneath midline. 5 minutes trying to pop up. 2 minute is still kind of holding this thing up, but it's struggling at this midline now. Five-minute did hold its level to stay above. We'll just see what happens. We'll see. Like, to me, I don't know, everything's showing that it is holding that level that I wanted to see it hold from the downside, so could just pop up. I'm gonna see if we continue it up here. I think we get it back up to like 300 area, maybe. No, 270 would be a target first. Yeah, right here would be its first target. We break that. Maybe 300 up here. Let me get my shades out instead here. Failed, didn't it? This is a 5-minute zone right here, so I want to see if we can hold this now. We might start breaking and just collapse. I don't fucking know, but it's holding it again. The 5-minute is trying to bring it up. The 2 minutes trying to bring this thing up also. If we can break this wick here, this will come up into it. This is a previous 1 hour. This is the 1 hour high right here. We shall see what happens. I want to see if we can pop this thing up. This level did hold. Midline is holding. Like I said, the 5 minutes trying to round up. 2 minutes is trying to round this up. We break this here. We try and test inside of that. Maybe we go up for the fucking orb break. I don't know. ES is at a level of resistance. This is the 1 hour on NQ. We just broke through it. We broke through this right up into here, like I said. Now let's see if we could hold it up and keep going here. Next stop up here is at 24,300. This is the next stop. Right at this line here. That's the next stop for it to hit. See if we can break out of this little consolidation zone from before. We start to pop through this, 300 will get tapped. But it did reject from there. Let's see if we could still... I want to see if we can still pop this up. We start breaking that. 24,341 would be the next target. 340. If we can break up above past orb, this would be the next target. So we gotta hit the 300, break above orb, and then we get to the 40. But until then, this consolidation is holding it down. See if we can 3-bar this thing up. I don't want to see this wick get taken out. I want to see a 3-bar up. Go on, break it. Break it up. Come on, break it. Come on. Break these 2 candles. And this will be a confirmed 3Z if we can start moving it back upside. Go on. 20 seconds. I want to see it the last 15. Here's the 15 second. That's where I want to see the move start happening. If we're going to. Go on, we are breaking it. Just like I said, this is where I wanted to see the move start happening. If we're going to break it, and we're breaking it. Close above. Beautiful close up here. Continuation. Give me that continuation up to that 300. This might just blow through it. I really don't see... 290, there's some... They're trying to offer out at 300s, ain't a whole lot. If we start breaking this 290, this might just start to push right through that 300. But we got to break out of this consolidation area. We have to break through that. Bids are starting to come in down here at the 260 area. Let's see if we can hold this 260. See if we can hold it up here, or we come back down now. Yeah. It broke that 60. This might come right back down to mid. I'm gonna get out. Might start to bring it back down now. I could. Gonna come back down and test. I might take a short. I'm gonna see if we can break through this. It should get aggressive just like that. Let's see if we can break midline now and bring it all the way back down here to this 24-2 area. We couldn't get above this zone here. I wanted to see it break that for it up. Couldn't do it. See if we can break this midline and come back down to 200 area. This is that 5-minute zone down here. Let's see. We start breaking this is gonna fall. This 5-minute zone. If we get underneath this is gonna dump. We're breaking midline now. This is getting aggressive. Right back down to this trend from before. We gotta break underneath this 200, break underneath this 5-minute zone, and this thing will dump. How long will it take to get there? That's the question. How aggressive is this sell-off gonna be? She's moving. She's moving. About to get under this 5-minute zone. We are getting under this here. This is rolling. This is rolling. We should see a continuation here. Let's see if we can hold underneath this area. What do we got? 15 seconds on the candle here. Let's see if we can close underneath. Close underneath this would be really good. This is dumping it. Hold under that 200 spot now. Nope, I'm getting out. I would have closed it earlier than that if I was on my actual account. But since I'm on this one, I'm willing to hold it more. This looks like I was trying to bring it back up now. Right back to midline. AES is breaking above the hourly mid. This could start pushing it back up here. I want to see what we did do around this area. That was a pretty aggressive dump for it to come right back up. I mean, it's possible, but like, that's kind of strange. We dump this thing back down. Do I try the short right here? All right, I'm gonna attempt it. It is trying to push above, but it can't, but it might. Because it is trying so many times to push and it can't. Rejection from it. Let's see if we can get a continuation back down some more. Now I'm gonna keep pushing. Trying for that midline again. There it went. Trying to break now. Couldn't do it still. There's the breakdown again. You gotta break that 200 again and get back into this 5-minute zone. This could hold it up here, but see what happens. This sell-off for me to bring it right back up, to me would just be, what the fuck is this all about then? Just to bring it right back up again. I mean, yeah, liquidity and all this bullshit, but like, this is just a big move down. If we fail this here, that's gonna come down more. To me, is what I'm thinking. It could just fucking go to all-time highs from here. Like, not saying it can't, but it makes more sense. Come down, retest to come back down again, instead of coming down, retest, pop, and go. This spot is a big area for it. That's why I took the short here, because it was holding under midline. I'm like, all right, I'll attempt that short then. Like I could get out of it. I'm up $1,000. Like I could just get right out of it. If I was on my own account, I probably would. But, or if we start breaking this, I would just get out. Just because the way the market is and has been this week, doing its own little bullshit per se. A lot of these trades I would have took profit out of them. I would have held them and make it come all the way back and then lose. And, no. Yeah, should have just held on to it. My theory still is, I mean, this is if we start breaking this, then yeah, as long as we're under it, then the short is still good. Like I could have held on to it. I just don't like how this thing is holding it up. Yeah, see, it's getting too aggressive up. That 5 minute zone is so strong yet. I could try to take a long from here to see if we can pop this thing back up within this. For a new high, I don't know. Maybe. Depends how aggressive it wants to get, but like, this spot is just holding so strong yet. I want to see this come up into here at least. See if we can get this long up here. Still failing from midline. I think we're gonna get a run up though. ES is still going up. 2 minutes trying to pop up. 5 minute is 5 minute can go either way right now. It is trying to kind of hook it down, but 20 seconds left on it. See what it wants to do. This could just pump it back up here, but we got to get above this midline. You can get close above midline on the 5 would be even better, but it's going to close right on it. Look. Yeah. Closes right on it. This could drop here. The new 5 minute. I still want to see it come up some though. So I'm going to hold on to this long a little bit. I'm still trying to see this come up into here at least. This is still holding under mid. The 5 minute is a bullish close on it. Still like to see this thing pop up some. Like it might come back down a little bit, but I still want to see it pop up. Come on, pop it up there. Let's see it. Give me what I'm waiting for. Come on. Go on. Go on. This is staircasing it up. On the 1 minute here, it is staircasing this thing up. See if we get an aggressive upside. Stay up. Gonna do it. Right back to this 5 minute zone. Eating the wick on that 5 too. That's what I wanted it to see to the upside. Alright. It is what it is. Yeah, I should just do some quick scalps. See if we can grow this balance back up. Do some quick scalping work maybe. Yeah. See if we can get a quick scalp on this. If we can hold this here. This is a big 5 minute zone. It's been holding, so I'm going to attempt for it to hold again. This is starting to hold under. 5 minutes struggling, 2 minute is struggling. Yeah, this might drop. It could drop. We'll see here. See if I can get a quick scalp on this. I don't think I'm going to give it. Yeah. This is really starting to roll it over. 5 minutes trying to bring down, 2 minutes trying to bring this thing down to being pretty sketch. This might just start to drop. I should have been closing my trades out way sooner than I really am on this account. Like I said, this is just an tournament account. Like I really don't care about it. I'm already down too far, so it don't matter. So I'm just trying to get some trade ideas out of it now. That's all I'm using it for. This is the only account that I have to trade. I'll wait on my payouts on my other accounts, so I'm not touching those. So here we are trading this account, doing some trade ideas on it. A little bit of back testing, I guess you could say, but in real time. There's the hold of that zone, of that 5 minute zone. Let's see if we can break above this here. Gonna do it. Holding right on that 200 zone. Oh, still got like 2.5 minutes on the 5 though. This 5 has been holding this area up pretty good. It is getting weaker as it is coming along here though. I don't know if we get like a big pump up anymore. Quick scalps, sure. Like this right here, quick scalp, I could take it. Oh, now we're getting real aggressive. Let's see if we take these wicks out here. We get back under midline. I'm closing it though. Yep, taking these wicks out. We get back below midline. I'm out. We held above. A nice retest. Let's see if we can continue it up. Retest it again. Continue it up. Okay, we're gonna come back up. We're gonna come back into here. Test that area again. Yeah, I just can't push it up here. It is trying. 2-minute is struggling with it. The 5 gave a green light on it, but it's still iffy. Like it's struggling to get on the 5-minute up, but it is trying to. Yeah, this is failing from. I'm just gonna get out for now. I'll just take it. This is getting weaker and weaker. Couple seconds on this 5. This 5-minute looks really bad. If it closes down like this and it gives a continuation down, I will take the short. This next candle could try to jump it back up. Let's see what it wants to do here. Continuation down. Or a quick scalp back up here. Alright, I'm gonna see if I can do a little scalp back up, maybe here. I want to see this fall, but I want to see if I can grab a quick scalp up. It might not. I want to see it recover some of that wick on the 5-minute. Yeah, it's struggling to do it now. See if we can get it back up a little. Watching the 5. I like to see it come back up to midline test. Okay, we're coming back up to this midline test here. I don't know if we're going to get above it. ES is staying kind of strongish. I know we really got to start breaking it up here. I mean, we do have a room inside of this to chop around still, so back up here, back to midline. I could close it right here. I'm going to. Quick little scalp. This could come up to here, sure. This could come up to here, sure. But this is what I wanted to see. This. Oh. It is even. It is going for that 5-minute wick, exactly what I wanted. That's why it took that long. I wanted to see it just quick scalp up, take some of that wick. Now we could drop it back down if I wanted to. I don't know if it's going to. ES is staying strong. This could start to get aggressive up if ES wants to start running it. This could just drop it though. If ES wants to break back inside of orb, like I don't know. It says my funds are on the move. Oh, 4,000 coming out to me. It is on the move, it says. Let's see if I can possibly get another scalp here coming in. Nope, couldn't get it up there. I was pretty late on that entry. I wanted it at 220. At 220, that's what I wanted. I wanted it right here. A break of that. That's what I wanted. So it's still playing on in my favor, though. I could take it right here. This is the bottom of the range. I'm going to. I'm going to take it. Just little scalps like that. That's all I wanted. ES's break back inside of orb. I mean, this could be the start of the move down. I don't know. But we're at the bottom of this range. I wanted the break of this, come back to the bottom of range. That's all I was looking for. I might treat this more like my own account. Quick scalps. No, we're gonna pop this back up, or we're gonna keep falling here. I want to see what are we gonna do? Quick scalp, maybe. To get above that 205, I might scalp it up quick. I'm gonna try it. Just like that. Take it. That's all I needed right there. Couple hundred. Quick scalps. This isn't just a range. You have to play it. You can't hold with this garbage range that it's playing. This is an aggressive pull down here. This is getting an aggressive down here. This might start to drop. Is we gonna go for that wick or are we gonna dump this thing right here? What's the move we're doing? Looks like it wants to try to drop some here. See if we can get back above. I'm gonna see if I'm gonna target some of this wick for the upside. If they can get back above here a little. 15 seconds. Is it? I'm gonna attempt some of this wick fill here. See if we get above that right there, come up a little bit more. Looking for like a 210 hit. Yeah, I couldn't get it up there though. See if we can stay up here, come up for this wick. Second attempt right here for that wick. See if we can break it up here. Just like there's 210, that was my target. Let's see if I can get a little bit more out of that though. Yeah, I'm out of it. All I wanted was 210. This could go up. I don't know. I just wanted that 210. Look at rejecting from. Right back down here again. That's all I wanted. 210. It got above a little bit. That's the only reason I held on a little bit longer. Even so, that was a couple hundred, 200? I don't even know what it was. I'm not looking at the price. I'm just looking at my level. Where I would take my TPs from, so. Brand new 5 minute. Alright, what are we going to do here? It is still holding above this 5 minute zone, but it is getting weaker and weaker every time this thing attempts it. The up moves are getting less and less strong, I should say. They're coming down. We could get another pop-up. Possible. Possible, but waiting for this thing to absolutely fall if we can start doing it here. This 5 minute is just downtrending so bad. Okay, attempt to short from here. It's got room up top yet. It could come back up into this area up here. It could reject from here also and come right back down. This is back above orb again. Struggling it, but it is above it. 5 minute resistance area is right up in here. I'm gonna attempt a quick scalp on that long. I could have took that there for. There it is. Ah, I was late on taking it. Late on taking it. 5 minute is trying to round it though. It is trying to round it. This is risky trying to scalp longs from this area, but the 5 is looking kind of strong. That's too late on that. It's too late, but let's see. This 5 minute is. I like how the 5 minute is forming. It is still under its trend. Yes. But it's still looking pretty decent. The 2 minute is looking kind of strong too. It is. I'm gonna hold on to the long a little bit here. This is actually looking kind of bullish here. See if we can do it. We gotta get above this 250 zone though. 250, 255, right in this area. We gotta get above that, but I might hold this one a little bit more. Unless we start breaking this thing down, then I'll get out, but yeah. New 2 minute, 5 minute is almost up. We gotta get this minute candle back up, otherwise not looking so good. The 5 is trying to bring some life back to it. The 2 minute is trying also. Let's see if we get this pump back up. There we go, just like that. You gotta get over this 250, 255 zone. There's 250. Can we get over the 255? This 5 minutes looking. The 5 and the 2 is looking actually pretty bullish. It really is. This might get aggressive up. Might get an aggressive move up here. Close on that 250 spot. I still want to kind of hold on to this one yet. Just because I like the way that charts are showing themselves, but the 5 minute is hitting that resistance. So was the 1 minute, this downtrend, the 5 minute hit it. The 1 minute hit it. So I mean, if we could break above this, it'll start getting aggressive. But until then, it keeps pushing it back down. Yeah, right back down. Dang it. There's that aggressive move up I was waiting for. That sucks that this fucking dump kicked me out of that dumb shit. This is what I wanted here. I wanted to see it go super strong. Like this whole candle, put this whole candle, put it here. All the way up. That's what I wanted. We are breaking it above here now. That's why I got back in. It's good to just drop it right back down. I don't know. Still got 2.5 minutes on the 5 also. This could hold up here. ES is still strong as fuck. And Q might start to push up here. We might not get that drop I was looking for. This 5-minute zone is holding it up. So if it's not going to push it, which other way it's going to go? Going to pop it back up. And I said, if it starts breaking here, it's going to get aggressive. It's just ass if it's had to come down, retest it here, then get aggressive. Yeah. That was shit. But now let's see if we can pop it, continue this. Like the 5-minute is breaking, but we still have a minute and a half on it, so we got to see what it's going to do. It's 275 up to 280, between 75 and 80. This minute candle, let's see if we can hold above this trend. This 5-minute is right on it. So right now, this could go either way. I was trying to fail it. "30 seconds. See if we can pop this thing back up. Maybe. Or is this 5 minutes gonna hold underneath? Yeah, it's holding it. This is gonna hold underneath. Got 10 seconds on it. Unless it gives an aggressive pop back up on this next candle. This might fall. Yeah. Shit. All the way right back down. Look at this. Let me get out of it. This is gonna drop more. I should just enter this short. I should just enter this short. Yeah, it's got way under orb. See if we can get this dump happening now. See if we can take out this 5-minute level and just start getting aggressive. Now I'm willing to hold on to this trade a little longer. Especially if we start breaking this here. Oh, this is still holding this thing. Come on, we gotta stay under. Start breaking the zone and dropping this thing. This could just run it right back up. Just still holding that 5-minute zone insanely. Nice little retest on this trend up here. See if we can hold under. We gotta hold under this zone and start to fall. Excuse me. That is the game plan, but this 5-minute zone is so strong. It's getting weaker and weaker every time it comes down and hits it, though. Right back up. Look at this. Right. Oh my god. What is that? Fuck it. Let's go. Let's ride it, I guess. I don't fucking know what that was. Oh, it's this thing absolutely dropping back down now. I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna ride it. Fuck it. Next, there's a 5-minute zone right here. If we're gonna break this up, we're gonna run this thing. Oh, we're running it. Fuck it. We're holding this, I guess. I don't know what this is about, but something came out. I don't know what that was, but I'll take it, I guess. Shit. Where are we gonna close? We closing up? No, get me out of it for now. I don't know what that was. I'm gonna see if this candle closes. I might try to take this another long up here. Let's see here. I want to see if it. That was way too soon. I shouldn't have done that. I should have waited to see what the candle was gonna do. That was stupid. I want to see if we can come for this some of this wick. To be honest. I should have waited. I could have got in down here. I clicked it way too soon. Way too soon. This could come all the way back down, but I want to see it come for this wick though. This is a big ass wick for it just to leave like that. Minute left on the 5. There's coin. Come back up for this wick just like that. But I could have made on that shit right up there though. Could have banked on it. Oh well. 50 seconds on this 5-minute. We're gonna close above this 5-minute zone up here. Could get bully again. It could give another run up here, especially if we can close above it. 30 seconds. I could just take this here. I'm going to. $20 seconds. I might take a short right here, see if we can drop this thing back down. I don't think the 5 minutes going to close above it, so I want to see it drop back down. I want to see it come for some of that wick. I got some of that wick. I took it. Now I want to see this, see if we can drop it. We did hold under that 5-minute zone, but this 5-minute, this could come back up for the 5-minute wick now, though. There we go. Give me that dump back down. Come on. I could take this right here. Yeah, stupid. See if we can come for some of that wick on the 5, but I don't think this might get aggressive down here. See if we can pop this thing back up some. There we go, just like that. Come up a little bit more yet. I want to see like 310 area, get above this 300, give up, get up, get up. Could be right here. I'm just gonna take that there. There's that 310. There's that 310. It just hit it. That was my target. 310. So I want to attempt a short back down here. This is getting real aggressive up still. Still being aggressive. 330 is a pretty good zone for it to reject from if it wants. Unless we're just gonna keep ripping. I don't know. See if I can scalp out a short real quick, maybe. Risky, but I want to see if we can come back down a little bit. He was rejecting off the 330 area, so see if we can get this drop down. Still holding it up. I wanted to see it break that 300. Now let's see if it stays under this here. Couple seconds, stay under orb. This is gonna close right on it. Don't do that. Come back down. Come back down. Break that 300. Come on. There we go. Breaking that 3. There we go. I could take that right there if I really wanted to. I think we might give a little bit more of a push on this here. I could take that there if I really wanted to. If I was on my own account, I would take this actually. Okay, there we go. Now we're getting that push. Break those wicks there. Come on. Break the wicks. Can we break them? 10 seconds left. Oh. We might get a continuation down here. But it is holding it up from the zone. In a minute. Yeah, I'm gonna attempt this short still. There it went. There we go. There we go. There we go. Let's see a dump, baby. Let's see this fucking thing dump. Oh. I don't know what's going on right now in the market, but holy shit. Holy shit. I don't know what is going on, but oh my goodness. See if I can scalp it back up. Oh my god, we're... Holy. I want to see if we can drop this thing back down some here now. We're going to play this big-ass range. We're playing this big-ass range. Let's see if we can drop back down a little bit. It might go for the fucking eye. Let's see it dump down some, though. Mike. Come on down some. Stay down. 10 seconds. It's a brand new 5-minute also. It is holding it under this 300. It held under. Let's see if we can drop it back down now. Give me that drop back down. Oh, couldn't do it. Is trying to break up that 300, but it is still under it. I want to see it tank it back down. I mean, we got a big ass wick down there too. Big ass motherfucker. Let's see it hold under this 300 zone. I want to see it drop back down some here. It's closed above that 300 now. Get this thing back down. Struggle it and get back down. There we go. Come on. It's trying. I mean, real aggressive. It's trying. Let's see it drop. Come on. Give me that dump down there. Get under that 300. Let's see it drop back down some here. Come on. There we go. Go for it. Get down. Come on. Get back down here. Come on. 2 minutes left on the 5. Come on, let's see it fall. Stay under that 300. As long as we eat this wick. Eat that wick up. Come on. Eat it up. This is coming down. Come on. This is drop, 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 drop. Eat this wick and drop this. Do it. Let's see it. Let's see it. Come on. Eat that wick. Let's get it. Stay under that 300. Oh, don't do that. Don't do that. Stay down. It starts popping this thing up. It could get pretty aggressive. Stay under. There you go. Come on. 15 seconds. Make that move down. Make this move down. Come on. 5 seconds. Stay under it. This is, they're eating it up. They're still eating this thing up. Get down. This is still trending this down, though. Come on. Drop it. Come on. Let's see it drop. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Come on. Eat this wick up. Come on. Eat it up. Eat it up. It eats it. It drops quick. Even test 65 again. We drop past this. We could get pretty aggressive. But we gotta go for this wick here. We gotta eat that wick up. And it's not doing it. New 5-minute candle here. What's it gonna do? See it drop. Come on. Take that wick out. Take that wick out. Get down to that 65. If we can break 65, you'll see a dump. They're trying to hold this up right here. There's only so much they can do before the sellers step over them. Go on. Go on. Let's see it drop. Take out that wick. Get to that 65. Break 65 and drop. Sellers are still, or buyers are still there. We got to take them buyers out. Come on, sellers. Knock them over. Knock them down. The more they hold this up, the more sketchier I get. It's a pretty decent 5-minute close, too. It is. It could go for a run to take out stops for the shorts and then drop it back down. Just want to see this thing dump, though. I want to see it take out that wick, break 65, and drop this thing. Like right back down to midline. The minimum. See if we can get it. We're holding under those wicks right here. Yeah, it's gonna take these wicks out, stay under them. This 5 minute is actually looking pretty good. The 2 minutes getting bully now. Yeah, this 2 minutes starting to get bully. This could pop. Stay under that 310. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I want to see it break 75, go right down to 65, and break that, go down the midline. That's the game plan here. Here's 75 right here. This wick breaks that, it goes to 65, breaks that, down to midline. Breaks that, we go all the way. But we gotta start rolling here. This could just run it right back up. My game plan in the short is that though. But doesn't mean we're gonna come up and go. Very, very, very possibility. Everything's being pretty strong right now. ES is weak though. The only thing, ES is weak. And Q is very strong right now. The 2 of the 5, it is being strong. This is a 5-minute zone that it's at. That's why it keeps going like this. This is a 5-minute zone for a resistance area. We start breaking that, this thing could start to rip all the way up to like 370 area. Come on, get down there. Here we go. Get down to 75. Come on. They're just playing around in this spot right here. Catching people. That's what they're doing. They're catching people. I want to see this dump. I want to see the short back down the midline, at least. At least. Here comes 75. There's a 75 test right there. Break that, go to 65. Break in it, go to 65. Come on. Get down to that 65. Couple of seconds. Yeah, they're just holding this thing up. Holy shit. Yeah, they're just holding this thing up. I was hoping for that 65 hit after that, but this could just go here. Like I said, this is super strong. This just might run. Damn. Pretty ass. I wanted to see more of a drop than that, but I could have just took it anyways. Whatever. This is just too strong. Just being bully. It is holding under orb. Oh, what time is it? Oh, it is getting later. I might just have to call it. Come back in tomorrow. Oh. And some trade exhaustion on this one. Stay under orb. 2 minutes on the 5 yet? Bringing this thing back down. Couldn't get over orb. We gotta eat this, wake up, and push it. This 2 minute is so strong still. The 5 minute is getting weaker. PS is weak still. Yes. Yeah, I just might just call it. We'll come back tomorrow. Appreciate it coming in, much love. We'll be back tomorrow. Hopefully my payouts are all taken in so I can trade my actual account. So appreciate it coming in, much